How I created 4 videos with free AI tools. Hey guys, it's Toss here. Today, I'm going to show you how I created 4 videos using only free AI tools. I used ChatGPT and Google Bard to generate scripts for my videos. These AI tools can generate text on a variety of topics, so I was able to get high-quality scripts quickly and easily. I used Pexels to find free stock footage for my videos. Pexels has a wide variety of footage to choose from, so I was able to find footage that was relevant to my videos and that looked good. I used Canva and Adobe Express to edit my videos. These video editing tools are easy to use and offer a variety of features, such as the ability to add text, images, and music to your videos. I used text-to-speech to add a voiceover to my videos. Text-to-speech is a free tool that can convert text to speech. This was a great way to add a professional touch to my videos without having to record my own voice. So, there you have it. That's how I created 4 videos using only free AI tools. If you're looking to create your own videos, I highly recommend checking out the tools that I mentioned. Subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to create videos using free AI tools.